So, firstly, apologies for the dodgy lycra, but I just managed to fit in my daily exercise. I hope you're doing the same. What I've done here at Amesbury is to sort out a circuit. I go out of the school, past the front of school, and then down Nutcombe Lane, turn right up to High Pitfold. For any of you who know that, there is a very, very steep little incline there, which I have to get up. It needs a bit of effort. It's very different to the rest of the course, which is relatively flat. So I have my circuit. It's a bit like a week, Monday to Friday, or a month, all the way through January. Or it could be a bit like lockdown, from January when we started to whenever they say we can come back to school. What I do know is during that rhythm, during that circuit, I know there's a hard bit, and there will be a hard bit for all of us. What I'm asking for you is, all I can show when I go up that little bit of an incline, that hard bit, is determination, bit of grit, bit of courage. Nobody can teach me how to run in a particular way. Nobody's going to pull me up. Nobody's going to push me up. It's down to me whether I run up it, stop running, walk, but I've got to get up it. And I have to show some determination, some resilience. And so that's what I'm asking for you to do now. As we work into this third week, I need you to show some good old-fashioned grit, determination and courage. Thank you.